Hey, I'm Scott Davis with Champion Aerospace. I'm here with Robert Varney from Valiant Air Command. Robert, this is an awesome C-47. You mind telling us about it?
Yes, sir. Like you said, I'm Robert Varney with the Valiant Air Command. I'm the Director of Flight Ops there. I've been there about 15 years. We're here with the beautiful Tico Belle C-47, survivor of D-Day, Battle of the Bulge, Operation Varsity, and many other major actions in the European theater. It's a true flying national monument. After the war, she did the Berlin airlift as well. And then she went on to keep serving in the Europe until we brought her back over in the early 80s and restored her to her current D-Day looks. True flying national monument. We're very proud to have Champion as a proud supporter and sponsor of us. We fly nothing but great Champion spark plugs in this aircraft, and it's just been going great over the years, and we're very proud to work with y'all and keep history alive. It's getting harder and harder every year, and I think Champion recognizes that, and that's why they're here to back us up, and I'm very proud to do it. And not only with this aircraft, but we have a Tuskegee Stearman that was based here in Lakeland before it went to Tuskegee that also flies proudly Champion spark plugs in it as well. So yeah, appreciate the help and keeping us alive.
Yep,
and
absolutely.
It runs great, and if you're ever in Titusville, Florida, come out and check us out. We're a 501(c) nonprofit organization. We'd love to have you come in. We have some of the largest collection of Naval, Army, and an Air Force aircraft, and some very unique prototypes and examples from the Space Center. We're about a 10-minute drive from the Kennedy Space Center, so it makes a full day if you come out and check us out.
Good deal. Thank you, Robert.
Hey, appreciate you very much.